July brings several important Canada immigration updates that applicants, workers, students, refugee claimants, and immigration representatives should know. New immigration consultant regulations take effect on July 15th, giving the College of Immigration and Citizenship Consultants stronger oversight powers. These changes include tougher complaints and discipline rules, higher financial penalties, a new compensation fund for victims of dishonest conduct, and more public information about licensed consultants beginning next year. Canada is also moving ahead with proposed asylum system reforms. Public feedback closes on July 20th for proposed changes that would introduce a 60-day application window, earlier work permit access for eligible claimants, and new document submission timelines before refugee hearings. These changes are not yet in effect, but they could reshape how asylum claims are filed and processed later this year. Ontario has launched its new Ontario Workforce Priority Stream, replacing the former provincial nominee streams with new pathways for higher skilled workers, essential workers, and eligible self-employed physicians. The expression of interest system is temporarily closed while Ontario updates its platform. British Columbia is accepting registrations for a temporary rural and remote health support initiative until August 31st. The initiative targets eligible cleaning and security workers employed by public health authorities in rural or remote communities, with up to 250 nominations available. Quebec skilled worker families also have a new support measure. Spouses or common law partners of eligible Quebec permanent selection applicants may now apply for open work permits under a temporary public policy running until the end of the year. International students changing schools or programs must carefully follow updated study permit instructions, especially where provincial or territorial attestation letters may be required. Applicants still waiting under the temporary resident to permanent resident pathway can also continue applying for open work permits until December 31st. With immigration levels plan consultations now closed, July marks a key policy month as Canada prepares its next 3-year immigration targets.